Hello students, here I am back again with the last part of the present tense, that is present perfect continuous tense. So let's know first the usage. To describe an action which began in the past and is still going on. So something which we started in the past and it is still in continuation, it is still going on, there we use the present perfect continuous tense. And let's form an example for that. It has been raining since morning. The points which you should be remembering while doing present perfect continuous tenses, basically the phrases like since, for, long, all day, these are present in these kind of sentences. Let's see the forms. When you see the forms, you must be, now you have learned all the forms, you know what kind of forms we do in present tense. So first is affirmative. Affirmative, the rules are subject plus has been or have been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for plus object. So basically with the subject you are supposed to use has been or have been depending upon the subject. So with singular subject we use has been and with plural subject we use have been. Plus V1 plus ing. Why again V1 plus ing? Because there is continuous tense. It is a continuous tense. Plus since or for. This is the basic identification. Mostly in all these sentences you will find since or for. Then see the examples. I have been playing since morning. With I have used here have been. Play plus ing. So playing is the verb, ing form of the verb. Next, she has been learning piano for a long time. With she, it is a singular subject. I have used has been. Then they have been waiting for the doctor for 3 hours. So they here is plural subject and have been I have used here. And you will notice one more thing, that see in the first sentence there is since. In the second sentence there is for, and in the third sentence also there is for. So for, since, all day, long, these are all the things which from which you can identify that this is basically present perfect continuous tense has been used in those sentences. Let's now go to negative. Now the negative forms, subject plus has not been or have not been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for plus object. So has not been and have not been has to be used. Let's see the example. I have not been playing since morning. Same affirmative sentence has been changed into negative sentence. She has not been learning piano for a long time. They have not been waiting for the doctor for 3 hours. So only not has been added extra and other things remains the same. Now come to the interrogative part. When you do the interrogative sentences in present perfect continuous tense, you have to be little bit careful as been comes in between after the subject. Generally students make this kind of mistake, so that is why I am telling you to take care of been here. So interrogative sentence has, have plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for plus object plus question mark. Let's see the examples very carefully. First example is, see, I'll tell you how you have to do. First example, see from the rules and see the example. Have I been sleeping since morning? So here have, subject is I, been, after subject been, and sleeping since morning, after that question mark. So when you see these rules and you see the example, it will be totally clear to you how do we make an interrogative sentence in present perfect continuous tense. Then the next example is, has she been learning piano for a long time? Have they been waiting for the doctor for 3 hours? So you see the rules first. You see the rules first and then see the examples. When you see them clearly, if you relate them and compare them, then you will get to know how I have formed these sentences. Listen to the video at least 3 to 4 times. When you hear it 3 to 4 times, you will be very much clear with the formation of the sentences and you will be able to do the worksheet which I will be providing in the PDF. So thank you for now, and now we have completed our present tense in all 4 parts. I'll be providing you worksheets now and you will be completing those worksheets in your fair note. Thank you for now.